Welcome back to my kitchen, Judy's Keto Kitchen. Today I'm making pistachio ice cream. It's clean keto, dairy-free, and it's amazing. Carl's birthday is coming up, and I said, well, what would you like for your birthday? Thinking, what kind of cake does he want me to make? Of course, a keto cake. And he said, pistachio ice cream and butter pecan ice cream. And I'm like, well, okay. All you want is ice cream? I can do that. So today is pistachio ice cream. We start off with, I use 45 grams of xylitol because I also add some vanilla stevia. You can add more xylitol if you want. The two sweeteners that are okay for ice cream are xylitol and allulose. Do not use xylitol if you have dogs. We have cats, but our cats don't eat our people food. Well, not the sweets anyway. So, and I'm very careful anyway. So I have 45 grams of xylitol, and I'm going to add some vanilla stevia. Not a lot, because I still don't want it too sweet. That should be enough, a little squirt. I'm also adding 6 egg yolks. This is left over from the PSMF breads that I make. I'm going to add 1 can. It's a 13.5 ounce can of coconut cream. I used to add both coconut cream and coconut milk. Now I just add a can of coconut cream. I used to use Thai Kitchen coconut cream. It's pretty pricey. And I've just started going to Trader Joe's, which is an hour away from us. And I always love Trader Joe's. So now I get Trader Joe's coconut cream. Now we're going to add pistachio flavoring. This is a highly concentrated pistachio flavoring. That's not my favorite. My favorite would be Watkins pistachio. For Watkins, you use a teaspoon of pistachio flavoring. For this, it's so concentrated, you only use 1/4 teaspoon. Any chemical taste, if you use too much extract, it tastes a little chemical. So 1/4 teaspoon. And we're going to blend this all up. But before I blend it up, 60 grams of pistachios. These are lightly salted pistachios. And what I'm going to do is chop them up. And I just chop it with a knife. Okay, so I'm going to put them in a bowl because it'll be easier to transfer them into the ice cream maker. Blend up everything except the pistachios. So that's really well blended. And another reason to do it is make sure the xylitol is still not crystal. So we're going to turn this on and we're going to process this till it all is smooth. It will be very bumpy. After it starts freezing, it gets little lumps and bumps in it, and then you wait till it's smooth again. Then we'll add the pistachios. I'm hoping you can see in here, it's very lumpy. I'll try to move it so that you can see it. It's all really lumpy. What we want to do is wait until that gets smooth again, and then we'll add the pistachio. Okay, the ice cream is pretty smooth now. It's a whole lot smoother than what it was, so we're just going to add the pistachios. It's a stiff spatula that I make sure I can get all of the ice cream. Here is pistachio ice cream. This is really good. Dairy-free keto pistachio ice cream.